Hi there, it's Jen here from Crystal Clawz. I'm going to try and demonstrate our new self-repairing top coat. I have discovered this is very difficult to video. I've tried it on a few colours already today. My weapon of choice, a wire bri brush. Alright, so I'm going to use this brush. Normally I don't think anybody would do this, but well, to their own nails at any rate. But what I'm going to do is I'm now going to actually brush the surface of my self-repairing top coat. As you can hear, I'm giving it a good brush. This top coat is super shiny. Not only is it super shiny, it's actually also quite scratch resistant anyway. So I don't know if you can see here. I know we have another video which I will put up, but it's not as pretty and on a nail. But there are extremely fine scratches. Let's see if I can get in closer. Alright, the reason I have the watch here is so that you can see that we haven't time edited this at all. I don't know if you can see the tiny little scratches in the nail. I'm going to set that aside. It takes about a minute for the scratches to heal themselves. As I say, it is a very scratch resistant nail anyway. The scratches in here are so super fine you can actually barely see them. And here we go. Alright, as you can see, there are absolutely no scratches left. I will pop up the other video. Amazing, absolutely amazing stuff. Obviously, if you're going to go and gouge it with a knife or something, that is not going to repair itself. This is really just a top coat that, you know, the ladies that do gardening, etc., that work a bit rough with their nails. It is wonderful because those fine little scratches simply disappear. Thank you for watching.